Hi, I'm Mike, owner of the In-Groove in Phoenix, Arizona. Today I'm going to do an unboxing for Record Store Day 2020. This is from Drop 1, the August drop. This is the wipers. This is limited to 2,000. It includes a rare show poster autographed by Greg. Features a bonus 45 of the original 4-track session. And this is a colored vinyl edition pressed at RTI. Really cool. Metallic. Gold foil. Really cool. Looking forward to seeing what that autograph poster looks like. There's a 7-inch, has a pretty nice. All right, and now we've got, let's see, there it is, yeah. Pretty cool. So there's the poster. Let's see, autographed there. Looks like it's kind of autographed in an ink pen too. But very cool. With the Neo Boys, special guest King B. Let's take a look. Kind of a paper inner sleeve. Printed inner sleeve. This is on Jackpot Records. This is really clear vinyl. Looks like this is actually, so it's pressed at RTI, but this actually has, God, that looks like Kevin Gray's initials in the dead wax. Kevin Gray is one of the absolute best mastering engineers in the business. He very, very rarely, if ever, puts out a dud sounding record. It's kind of hard to see the initials because of the clear. You're getting the mirror backing of what's on the other side. But that's, yeah, that's what it looks like. But yeah, the wipers on Jackpot Records. This can be purchased on our website if it's still available at 1 o'clock Eastern time. We open a little bit earlier for our locals here in Arizona at 8 o'clock Arizona time, but anything that is not sold by 1 o'clock Eastern will be made available on our website at www.theingroove. Anything over $49 ships for free. All right, guys, until next time.